الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نن په یو نوي لیکچر سره یو ځل بیا په ستاسو خدمت کې زه حاضر یم ابو هریره. تاسو ګورئ زما په یوټیوب کې پیج لرم ابو هریره. دغه شانتي زمونږ چې کوم نننی ټاپک دی هغه دی په پاست انډیفینټ کې په نیګیټیو سنټنس باندې. زمونږ چونکې 9 لیکچرې دي نه مخکې شوي وي، نن 10 نمبر لیکچر دی. نو زمونږ پرون yesterday I was done by the past indefinite positive sentence, and now I will do and I am teaching the past indefinite negative sentence. That where is we use the past indefinite negative sentence. So the structure of past indefinite sentence is that we will put subject plus did not plus verb past form and plus object. If I talk about the positive sentence or past indefinite, so we the structure as this that subject plus verb second form plus object. But here we use subject plus didn't plus verb past form. And is remember that past indefinite sentence or positive sentence we use verb second form, and the and negative sentence we use the verb first form. So here after the all subjects we use didn't plus verb first form. After the all subjects we use verb first form. If I told you that the example of past indefinite negative sentence, so that's उसने cricket नहीं की, no as translation as well there. So उसने पारामीटर से इस्तेमाल हो he, so he and after the subject we will put did plus not. He did not play, and the play first form played. So here we will put first form upper. So he didn't play cricket. And the second example of past indefinite negative sentence is हमने आपका इंतजार नहीं किया, ये मुंगा सा इंतजार न कुन दाव संग लका मुंगा इंग्लिश की आलो. नो हमने पारा से शीदी हमने पारा दे इंग्लिश की we did not wait इंतजार दे विल waited, but we use a past indefinite negative of past indefinite as verb past form. So we didn't wait you. If I tell you the next example of वो बाजार नहीं गए, यानी आ बाजार तला नड़ो, वही बाजार का ला नड़ो. So they did not go to bazaar. So this is the negative sentence of past indefinite sentence. Inshallah I will upload the next video that will be the interrogative sentence of past indefinite. Thanks for watching.